How to divide rational expressions. Don't confuse rules. Imagine you have a puzzle made of algebraic fractions, and your goal is to piece it together correctly. Dividing rational expressions might seem tricky at first, but it's really just a matter of following a few simple steps. Think of it like flipping a coin. When you divide by a fraction, you flip it and multiply. That's the core idea here. First, what exactly is a rational expression? It is a fraction where both the top part and the bottom part are polynomials, which are algebraic expressions involving variables and powers. These expressions can look complicated, but breaking them down makes everything easier. The first step is to change the division into multiplication. Instead of dividing, you keep the first rational expression as it is, then flip the second one upside down. Flipping means taking the reciprocal, which swaps the numerator and denominator. So, if you are dividing to fractions, you turn the second one into its reciprocal and then multiply. Next, you want to factor all the polynomials completely. This means breaking down each numerator and denominator into their simplest factors. For example, a quadratic like x squared minus 9 can be factored into x minus 3 times x plus 3. Factoring helps you see common factors that can be canceled later. After factoring, multiply across the numerators and then across the denominators. This step is straightforward once everything is factored. Just multiply all the numerators together and all the denominators together. Now look for any common factors in the numerator and denominator. If you find any, cancel them out. For example, if both numerator and denominator have a factor of x minus 3, you can remove that from both. Remember, only cancel factors, not terms that are added or subtracted. Finally, check for any values that would make the original denominators 0. These are called excluded values because division by 0 is undefined. For example, if a denominator has x plus 2, then cannot be negative 2. Make sure to list these restrictions so your answer is valid. Let's look at an example. Divide x squared minus 9 over x squared plus 6x plus 9 by x squared minus 8x plus 16 over x squared minus 7x plus 12. First, factor each polynomial. X minus 3, x plus 3 over x plus 3, x plus 3, then flip the second fraction. X minus 4 over x minus 3, x minus 4. Next, multiply across. X minus 3, x plus 3 times x minus 3, x minus 4, and over the product of the denominators. Cancel common factors like x plus 3, x minus 3, and x minus 4. The remaining factors give you the simplified result. Always remember to identify the domain restrictions by finding the values that make any denominator 0 in the original expressions. For this example, those are x equals negative 3, 4, and 3. By following these steps, rewrite, factor, multiply, cancel, and check restrictions, you can confidently divide rational expressions without confusion. It's all about breaking the problem into manageable parts and applying these simple rules.